Welcome to the studio. Today, we're going to be painting something fun, and we're going to be continuing exploring the one-stroke painting with different types of flower. Welcome to our studio. You're from Mumbai, and today it looks like it's a gloomy day today. So, what are we painting today? We're going to be painting thistle. This is a wildflower, and really beautiful. If you put them into a composition, it looks lovely. You can create lovely patterns with these, and you can also paint them on lovely small cards. Imagine just having these on a small card. It looks just so beautiful. So let's get started, and welcome to the class. So this is a part of our one-stroke flower painting, which we are exploring just using this one round brush. The entire series, I have a playlist of the entire flowers that we have painted up till now on our YouTube channel. It's linked in the top right corner or listed below in the description. So try out different types of flowers. We are going to be exploring different types of flowers all around the year. But if you haven't tried the previous videos or you haven't explored the previous videos, painted them, do go try because it will just make your journey more easier and more fun. And also you get to understand how the brush moves. The brush movement is very important. So I'm excited. So let's get started. All right. So let's paint. Okay. For this, I'm going to be using. First, we're going to create the belly of the system. All right. So I'll do a very quick drawing of the belly. The belly can be in two shapes. One, it can be either like a pot over here, or it can be like a little simpler U shaped. Right? It can either be a pot or this. I like to do this style because it looks more elegant and more fun to paint. And if you are facing difficulties to do the rounder shape, you can also do it in this one, like a simpler pot shape. Okay, the colors that we'll be using, we'll first begin with a sap green. Okay, the first one we can start with the sap green, and we'll be using a little bit of nice purple shade. You can either mix the color with you can mix your crimson and crimson plus ultramarine or a cerulean blue to get a purple. Then I'll be using a nice phthalo blue color for the petals above, and not to mention a little bit of burnt sienna. Okay, with the sap green, we're going to make a pot first. Make a pot. I'm going to go like this. I'm sorry, not there. Lower. Like a, and go in. Okay, make a pot. And when you're making this pot, on the top part of it, we're going to take some purple, right? And we're going to add the purple inwards. Okay, when you add the purple, it mixes well and it creates a lovely texture over here. Okay, it creates a nice texture on the in the pot space, and the mix over here is fantastic. Again, we're going to take in the damp brush and remove some color over here in this area, the middle, where the purple and the green is mixing. We do not want to remove the color a lot of spaces, just where the mix is great. Okay, now we're going to take the same purple shade and going to extend a little bit of purple on the top, creating these little line textures, you can say, like the center of the flower. They would look like something like this. Okay, And then using a color blue, you can start making the petals. The petals can be falling. You can go as crazy as you want with the petals because it is fun. You can also add in another shade of blue. This is another shade of blue that I'm adding to create variation in your crystal. I like to go as crazy as I can when I'm painting a crystal. Now, with the bird sienna, what you can do is you can create these little dotted, just touch the brush, nothing much. You can also do this while it's still wet so that you get more softer texture if you want to. And then in the bottom belly, you can add the line of bird sienna and again drop in the green a little bit. Ta-da! Sister. Okay, let's make another one and then also let's make a bud and another one more thistle. Let's make a thistle again. Again, make a pot shape. Okay, I'm gonna be making it this side now. I started doing it at that side, but I felt that I want to do it this side facing tissue. This, this. You can let me know if you want to do a different type of flower. If you have something that you want to experiment with, you can drop in the comment section and let me know if you want to do something different. Okay, add in the purples. But the pot can be a little different shaped also. Like here, I've made the shape a little different. It's not exactly the same way as the previous one. And then add in the center of the flower. Okay, while you're doing, pick up some color here and then add in some you can use a burnt sienna and add some lovely textured um, just just touch the paper, just touch this is how the stroke will look like, just touch so you get this nice pointed shape. And then before we start, then let's make the petals using a lovely blue shade. There you go, one. You can use lighter shade to dark shade. As I said, go as much as you can. So I feel there are two sections to this one. Strokes can go in here like this. You can make two sections on the strokes, one, two. If you want to use a different color, as I said, you can use a different color, but if not, it's still fine. Now, finally, let's make a bud for this lovely wildflower. Again, it looks like a pot. In the beginning, I feel it's like a pod, and then it evolves into a pot, and then like a nice flower comes out of it. Like nice fun. So here you go. Along. And the pod will obviously have some brown lovely texture. One, two, three, four, and again will look lovely if you have use more pigment when you are working with burnt sienna. When you're doing these uh, pods, use more pigments. And then da da da. Here you have your pods, and just go around, create these lovely fun leaves, and then also you can add some sprinkles just for fun, alright? And that's it. Ta-da! If you really want to add just one more thing, I forgot. If you want to add some purple to the bud, you can do it on the tip too, just to create. Now, quick tip: how to paint. How to mix a purple. So you can take a burnt sienna sorry, you can take a crimson and probably like if you can also use the same tallow shade, and you would make a nice purple that you can mix. So you can use the same tallow blue and crimson to make a purple. Alright? And that's it. Now, I hope you enjoyed the class and I hope you enjoyed painting this crystal. Right? If you try them, if you try this video, if you try this tutorial, do share with us. You can send it to our email ID, which is listed below in the description. Or you can also share it with us on Instagram, which is me with a pencil. We would love to see your work. I mean, I am looking forward to seeing your work, all these lovely flowers that we have painted in the past few months. I would love to see all of them. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to us. You can leave a comment below. And I would suggest if you could really do leave us a comment on the videos that you try. That helps us to grow and create different types of tutorials where we have done mistakes, what we can do better. It will always help us. Your feedback is very valuable to us after all. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Do make sure that you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you can get weekly updates on our about our videos and our tutorials. And also, if you are interested in connecting with us on email and emailers, do sign up to our monthly newsletter. The link again is in the caption. Don't forget to check out the caption. And I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Bye bye.